@NCERT video book welcomes you. Today we are going to start class 1 mathematics book Joyful. Our first chapter is Finding the Furry Cat. There are 13 chapters in this book. Our first chapter is Finding the Furry Cat. Let us sing. Looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. Are you sitting on the window shade? Are you sleeping under my bed? Where are you, my furry cat? Looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. Are you inside the backpack? Are you outside the red rack? Where are you, my furry cat? Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Saw you scratching the bottom of my jar. Saw you playing at the top of my car. Come to me, my furry cat. Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Saw you hopping above the hat. Saw you hiding below the mat. Here comes my furry cat. Let's recite the poem once again. Chapter is Finding the Furry Cat. Looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. Are you sitting on the window shade? Are you sleeping under my bed? Where are you, my furry cat? Looking, 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 looking for my furry cat. Are you inside the backpack? Are you outside the red rack? Where are you, my furry cat? Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Saw you scratching the bottom of my jar. Saw you playing at the top of my car. Come to me, my furry cat. Come, 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 come to me, my furry cat. Saw you hopping above the hat. Saw you hiding below the mat. Here comes my furry cat. There are many pictures given here. Kindly see the picture carefully. There is a cow outside the house. There is a person sleeping under the tree. Okay. Children are laughing at the cat, jumping inside the house. Few squirrels are there. Two squirrels are there. Few birds are there on above. Okay. On the house. Here cat is sitting above the window shade and birds are flying after seeing the cat. Here a boy is searching for cat, but he finds a red ball under the bed. There is a pillow above the bed. Here the boy is searching for cat inside the bag. Here cat is sitting outside the red rat beside few playing toys. Here you can see the cat is pushing the jar or scratching the jar, scratching the bottom of the jar. Here cat can be seen wiping the top portion of car with maybe with his furry tail. Okay, here cat can be seen sitting on the hat, okay, hopping above the hat, or you can see here the cat is going below the mat, okay, hiding below the mat, going through the mat. Okay. Finally the boy finds her cat. Read aloud the poem. Ask children to recite and enact it. Children can look at the picture and tell what all they see and discuss the things which are above, below, on, under, and so on with, with the class. Encourage them to talk about the animals that they see around them, like cats, dog, cows, etc. This is a note to the teacher. Look at the pictures of the poem and encircle the correct word. A. The red ball is above, under, on the bed. You have seen that red ball is under the bed. B. The cat is inside, outside, on the car. You have seen that cat is on the car. C. The man is laying under, inside, on the tree. You can see the man is laying under the tree. D. The cow is inside, top of, or outside the house. The cow can be seen outside the house. Think and answer. A. Where do you put your shoes? Inside, outside the room. You put your shoes outside the room before entering the room. B. Where do you throw the garbage? Inside, outside the dustbin. You put your garbage inside the dustbin. Let us play find the things. Children can divide themselves into two teams. One team will hide a few things like white chalk, red ball, and other items and ask the other team to find them. Children can give verbal instruction to find the things using positional words like inside, outside, far, near, above, below, etc. Here one team has to give instruction to other using these words without telling the thing name. For example, look for a white thing which is hidden near the board and under the table. This can be instruction given by one team. Second team can give instruction like this. Look for a red thing which is outside the classroom and under the tree. Let us play throw the ball. Each child aims and throw the ball inside the basket. When the ball goes inside, other children will say in, and it goes when it goes outside the basket, they say out. Okay, you can see there is a basket and children are throwing ball into it. Let us do A. Tick the things which are inside. You can see flowers are inside the basket, so you have to trick here. Here you can see girl is inside the car, so you have to trick on this. Activity should be conducted in a manner so that all children are engaged irrespective of their differential abilities. For example, a ghungru can be attached to the ball and the surface of the basket can be made different from the surface outside in order to specify a specific sound in order to get a specific sound when the ball is in or out of the basket. This is a note to the teacher. B. Tick the things which are outside. Here you can see two bear are there. One is inside the cave and other is outside. You have to trick the things which are outside. This bear is outside, so you have to trick on this. Similarly, here few toys are there. The toy which is outside, you have to trick on that. See, look at the picture and tick the correct words. 1. A boy is sitting on under the tree. You can see in the picture, boy is sitting under the tree. You have to trick on the under. Second, birds are on under the tree. Birds are on under the tree. You can see that birds are on the tree. D. Draw a smile below the nose and eyebrow above the eyes. Here a picture is given. You have to draw eyebrows like this and a smiling mouth. Okay, here something is wrong. Okay, draw a smile. Okay, a smile is here. Okay, smile, you can draw a smile like this. Nothing is wrong. E. Look at our national flag, which is also known as Tiranga. How many colors are there? There are 3 colors. Tick the correct option. 1. Which color is at the top of Tiranga? Which color is at top of Tiranga? The saffron color is at the top of Tiranga. Second, which color is below the white color on the Tiranga? Here green color is below the white color, okay, on the Tiranga. You have to trick on green. Similarly, third, which color is above the green color on the Tiranga? You can see white color is above the green color on the Tiranga. Here you have to trick on white. Fourth, where is Ashok Chakra on the Tiranga? You can see Ashok Chakra is in the middle of Tiranga. Okay. Note to the teacher. Discuss with children when, where and why do we host national flag. Let the children express their feeling about the national celebrations. Ask children to make their own tiranga and sing the national anthem in a standing position facing the tiranga. This is a note to the teacher. While hosting the tiranga, you should look at the flag and remain in a standing position. Okay, and while singing the national anthem, you have to stand. Okay, this should be taken care by the teacher. Chuk chuk goes our train. Here is a poem. Chuk chuk goes our train. Chuk chuk goes our train. Over the hills and down the plains. Over the hills and down the plains. Chuk chuk goes the train. Goes our train. Boggies before my boggy. Boggies after my boggy. Make a chain. Over the rivers and in the rain. Chuk chuk goes our train. Let's repeat the poem once again. Chuk chuk goes our train. Chuk chuk, chuk chuk goes our train over the hills and down the plains. Chuk chuk, chuk chuk goes our train. Boggies before my boggy, boggies after my boggy, make a chain over the river and in the rain. Chuk chuk, chuk chuk goes our train. Here you can see a picture of train is given. Few questions are there. A. How many bogies are there after engine? You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bogies are there after engine. B. How many bogies are there before red bogie? How many bogies are there before red bogie? 1 and 2. 2 bogies are there before red bogie. C. Fill the orange color in the bogies after the red bogie. You have to fill orange color in these two last bogies after the red bogies. You have to fill orange color. Similarly, D. Fill the blue color in the bogies before the red bogie. You have to fill blue color in these two bogies before red bogies. Red bogie like this. Okay, this is blue color. You have to fill these two bogie, that is before red bogie, with blue color. Ask children to share experiences of their train journey. Children who have never traveled by train may ask questions about the journey. Let there be a discussion on what a train is. Ask them to draw a train on the paper, or they can make a train by using waste material like used boxes and cans. This is a note to the teacher. Let us play. Children will sing the rhyme and play a game where they all will form a train by holding each other's shoulders. Everyone will tell who is before and after each child in the train. Here goes our train, here goes our train. No one is before me and Mira is after me. This boy says, here goes our train, here goes our train. No one is before me and Mira is after me. Similarly, other children will sing this song. Swali and Rohit are making some groups of object. You can see Swali and Rohit are making groups of object. I have put all the pebbles together. You can see Swali has put all pebbles together. Rohit says, I have put all the leaves in one group and chalk pieces in another. Here Rohit says, I have put all the leaves in one group and chalks in another group. Let the children do similar activities of sorting the objects like seeds, leaves, beads, etc. This is a note to the teacher. Okay. Let us do. Suali has placed the buttons in three groups. Suali has placed buttons. These are the buttons in three groups according to color. Blue color buttons, red color and green color. Why did Suali make such groups? Suali made such group to make things easy while selecting those buttons. Okay, help Suali to sort these buttons in other ways by drawing them. You have to help Suali to sort these buttons in other way than this. If you see carefully, there are three types of button. One is round, other is square, and that is tapered, that is mixture of round and square. Round and square mix, then you can make three group. You can make round button, square button and round, square, round plus square. Okay, round buttons could be kept here, that could be of different color. A square button could be kept here, that may be of different colors. Okay, and the round and square mix button, you can place it here. Project work: ask children to arrange the cupboard of the classroom. Ask them to put the objects using positional vocabulary, like put two objects in the bottom rack, one object in the top rack, etc. This is a note to the teacher. Okay. For more videos, you can subscribe NCERT video. Thank you.